Yes. Now we are going to discuss electric field due to a point charge, right? So, I hope all are there. Yes. So, we have taken a source charge. This is a source charge and this is a test charge. The distance between the source charge and test charge is R. Source charge whose electric field we have to find, right? This is the expression for electric field due to a point charge. The point charge is the source charge. So what we have taken a test charge at a distance R from the source charge. We always denote test charge by Q naught, right? So we know that according to Coulomb's law, force between two charges is given by 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So force will be K. K means 1/4 pi epsilon naught. K Q1 Q2. Q1 is Q, Q2 is Q naught by R square. But just now we have studied the definition of the force, that is Q naught into E. So force is also equal to Q naught into E by this test charge. So these two forces should be compared. So Q naught E is equal to K Q Q naught by R square. Cancelling Q naught on both the sides, what is the value of electric field due to a point charge? K Q by R square. See this capital Q, किसका हम electric field निकालें? ये capital Q का, source charge का. So we can always write electric field as 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Right? Direction of electric field will be the direction of the force exerted. Depending on what force are we taking? Depending on the magnitude and the sign of the charge. Positive charge है तो अलग होगा force, negative charge है तो अलग होगा. For example, suppose this is the electric field. ये कोई electric field है. यहाँ पे मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रखा और यहाँ पे मैंने एक प्रोटॉन रखा, positively charged particle. So now you tell me this electric field means direction ये है field का. इससे क्या पता चलता है? ये साइड क्या है? पॉजिटिव. ये साइड क्या है? नेगेटिव. अभी ये मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रखा, इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज इज नेगेटिव. नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल इज ऑलवेज अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव. सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन राइट साइड जाएगा या लेफ्ट साइड जाएगा? डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज दिस साइड. मतलब यहां कहीं प्लस है, वहां कहीं नेगेटिव है. So the moment we are keeping an electron in a given electric field, it will immediately accelerate in a direction opposite to the electric field. So this electron will quickly accelerate towards left side. Suppose we are keeping a positive charge, so positive charge will be attracted towards the negative side. So the moment we keep a proton here, it will immediately accelerate towards the right side. So electron पे जो force लगेगा, force on electron will be this side, left side. And force on proton will be right side. So this direction of electric field decides that in which direction this charge will move. If it is negative, it will move opposite to the electric field. If it is positive, it will move in the direction of the electric field. I hope it is clear. Right? Now we are going to discuss electric field due to axial line of dipole. Now what is a dipole? You must have studied in chemistry also. Dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges, minus Q and plus Q, separated by a very small distance 2a. Right? A system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance, this system is called as dipole. And dipole will have some electric field, right? क्योंकि नेगेटिव चार्ज की वजह से भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज की वजह से भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा. सो नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा डायपोल का? दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट इन द अपकमिंग डेरिवेशन. बिफोर दैट, कोई भी डायपोल, सी इन डे टू डे लाइफ वी हैव सो मेनी डायपोल्स, so many, everything is a dipole almost. So every dipole has an electric field. So there are so many electric field around us. So in order to find, say there are so many dipole, how do we check कि ये dipole का electric field ज्यादा है या ये वाले का ज्यादा है? So in order to calculate the strength of an electric dipole, we always find the dipole moment. ये dipole moment you must have studied in chemistry also. So in order to find the strength of this electric dipole, center हमने O मान लिया, ये A है, ये A है, दोनों का डिस्टेंस 8, so this distance is always written as 2A. So dipole is Q into 2A. You can see I have made a vector sign on dipole moment. Dipole moment tells us how strong is this dipole. Dipole, दो poles हैं, एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव, राइट? सो डाइपोल मूवमेंट टेल्स अस, अगर समझो पार्टिकल ए पार्टिकल बी का अगर डाइपोल मूवमेंट पार्टिकल ए से ज्यादा आ रहा है या सिस्टम ए से ज्यादा आ रहा है, देन वी से दैट बी इज हैविंग मोर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एज कंपेयर टू ए. So how do we find dipole moment? Dipole moment is charge into distance between them. Distance is always represented by 2A. So charge into distance, SI unit should be coulomb meter. That is how we find the SI unit. It should never be written as cm like this. That makes it centimeter. Capital C, small m, coulomb meter, and not both small. Right? Now we are going to find the electric field on axial line of dipole. Two derivations we are going to do. We have taken a dipole. This line is called as the axis. और इस लाइन पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे और एनीवेयर एल्स किसी भी पॉइंट पे अगर हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना चाहते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन एक्सियल लाइन. से दिस इज द डाइपोल. माइनस चार्ज यू ऑलवेज टेक फर्स्ट, प्लस चार्ज यू ऑलवेज टेक लेटर. सो दिस इज माइनस क्यू, दिस इज प्लस क्यू. अभी ये जो एक्सिस है यहाँ पे मुझे डाइपोल मूवमेंट फाइंड करना है, या इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड यहाँ पे कितना होगा. आई वांट टू चेक हियर और हियर और हियर और 1 kilometer ahead. So this line is called as axial line of dipole. Now we are going to calculate the electric field due to axial line of dipole, right? So here is the diagram. So we have taken a system of dipole which is minus q and plus q. One more thing to add here, direction of dipole, this is very important, is always from negative to positive. This is very important, right? So यहाँ पे डाइपोल मूवमेंट का ये होगा डायरेक्शन, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन ये होगा. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इस तरफ जाएगी, डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. बट डाइपोल मूवमेंट विल बी दिस साइड, बिकॉज डायरेक्शन ऑफ डाइपोल मूवमेंट इज ऑलवेज फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, राइट? सो वी हैव टेकन अ डाइपोल minus q and plus q. Here minus q is kept, here plus q is kept. They are separated by a distance 2a, and on the axial line we have taken a point P. Our aim is to find the electric field on the axial line of dipole. Here I have to find the electric field. So if you look at the diagram, this is minus q, this is plus q. Minus q की तरफ electric field lines होती हैं, तो if I want to find electric field due to point A, at which minus q is kept, तो direction of EA will be towards the charge, क्योंकि negative है. Direction of minus q will be this. Direction of electric field due to plus charge will be this. So that is why I have written EA left hand side and EB right hand side. I have to find the net electric field, which will be the combination of EA and EB in this diagram. The distance between both of them is 2A. Center से point P का distance is R. The distance of point P where we have to find the electric field is R from here, right? So we know that just now we have studied electric field is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance square. What is the distance? AP. What is AP? R plus this part. So this is R plus A. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A square along PA. Direction ये है along PA, right? Now electric field due to point B is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon this distance square. How much is this distance? R minus A. So BP square is R minus A का square. Direction is along BP. Now electric field due to B is magnitude I am taking, not the vector, more than electric field of A. How you can say that? B point से लगने वाला EB is greater, A point से लगने वाला EA is less. Why? Because we know that electric field is inversely proportional to distance square. Whose distance is less? This distance is less. Whose distance is more? A का distance is more. Distance more means electric field less. So A से लगने वाला electric field will be less. So what will be the net electric field then? Two vectors in opposite direction. Net electric field will be EB minus EA. Proceeding, electric field will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This EB, this minus this. So I am taking 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and Q. Q दोनों में है, 4 pi epsilon naught दोनों में है. I am taking it common. 1 upon R minus A square minus R plus A square. What is the direction? This is greater, this is smaller. Say this is 10 units, this is 4 units. Net will be 6 units in this direction. So greater ka direction. So what will be the direction? Along BP. This will be the direction of the net field because EB is greater than EA. Right? So Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. LCM ले लेंगे इसका. Maths only. Yes. So it will be R minus A का square, R plus A का square, R plus A square minus R minus A square. Right? Solving इसको solve करेंगे. A plus B का formula, A minus B का formula. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. R square plus A square plus 2AR minus sign outside minus R square minus A square minus minus plus हो गया plus 2AR upon, right? A minus B का square, A plus B का square. Can we not write A minus B, A plus B as R square minus A square का whole square? Can we write? We can write this, right? So cancelling, it comes out to be Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 2AR is 4AR upon R square minus A square का whole square. Can we write it as Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught? 4AR को we can break as 2A into 2R upon R square minus A square whole square. Why we have written is because we can write Q into 2A as dipole moment. Right? So electric field is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into P. Q into 2A is P into 2R. P into 2R upon R square minus A square whole square, or simply 2PR upon 4 pi square, 4 pi epsilon naught R square minus A square whole square. This is the expression for electric field on axial line. Right? Now we take one important expression here. Suppose there is a special case when this point P is far away. We want to find electric field at 1 kilometer ahead. Far off. So this R is very, very high. The value of R is very, very large as compared to A. A is just the half of the distance of the dipole and R is far off. So in that case we can ignore A square. This becomes 0. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? R square की power 2. That is R raised to power 4. R raised to power 4 and R is cancelled. So electric field on axial line in this case comes out to be 2P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. This is the final expression. It comes for board exam for 3 marks. It also tells us E is proportional to R cube. E के basic formula में E is proportional to R square. But when we are taking dipole, in that case E is proportional to R cube.